In this video, we are going to listen Peter and Dina conversation on online e-commerce business. Please pay 100% attention so that you will be able to understand. Please avoid all the distraction and focus only on these things. So it will help you to improve your listening and speaking. Remember, practice makes perfect.
Let's get started.
Hi Dina, how are you doing today?
Hi, Peter, I'm doing well, thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm doing great, thanks. So, I heard you're interested in starting an online e-commerce business. Is that right?
Yes, that's correct. I've been doing some research and I think it's a good opportunity for me to start my own business.
That's great to hear. I've been in the e-commerce business for a while now, and I can definitely give you some advice if you're interested.
Yes, I would love to hear your advice. What do you think are the most important things to consider when starting an e-commerce business?
Well, there are a lot of things to consider, but I think the most important thing is to have a clear idea of what you want to sell and who your target audience is.
Peter, I did a lot of research to find out what was popular and in demand, and then I looked for a niche that I could specialize in. I also thought about what I was passionate about and what I had expertise in, and that helped me decide on what products to sell.
I did a lot of research to find out what was popular and in demand, and then I looked for a niche that I could specialize in. I also thought about what I was passionate about and what I had expertise in, and that helped me decide on what products to sell.
That's helpful, thank you. What about setting up the actual website and marketing the business?
Those are both important aspects of starting an e-commerce business. You'll need to choose a platform for your website and make sure it's user-friendly and secure. And when it comes to marketing, you'll need to have a strategy for getting the word out about your business, whether it's through social media, email marketing, or other channels.
I see. Do you have any advice for how to stand out from the competition?
Yes, I think one of the best ways to stand out is to provide exceptional customer service. If you can offer fast and friendly support, that can make a big difference in keeping your customers happy and coming back to your business.
That's great advice. Thank you so much for taking the time to talk with me, Peter. I really appreciate it.
Of course, anytime. I'm always happy to help out someone who's looking to start their own business. Good luck with everything.
One more thing, Peter. How did you manage the logistics and shipping of your products?
Yes, logistics and shipping are definitely important aspects of running an e-commerce business. I started off by using a third-party logistics company that could handle my order fulfillment and shipping. That way, I could focus on other aspects of the business, like marketing and customer service. As my business grew, I eventually built my own warehouse and fulfillment center, but that's something you can consider in the future.
Okay, that's good to know. And what about payment processing?
Payment processing is also something to consider. You'll need to choose a payment gateway that can securely process your customers' payments. There are many options out there, so it's important to do your research and choose a reputable provider.
Okay, got it. Thank you so much for all this great advice, Peter. I'm feeling a lot more confident about starting my own e-commerce business now.
You're welcome, Dina. Just remember that starting a business can be challenging, but if you have a clear vision, a solid plan, and the drive to succeed, you can definitely make it work. Good luck, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any more questions.
Thank you, Peter. I have one more question. What are some of the biggest challenges you faced when starting your e-commerce business?
Well, there were definitely some challenges along the way. One of the biggest was managing cash flow. When you're starting out, it can be tough to balance your expenses with your income, especially if you're investing a lot in inventory or marketing. Another challenge was staying up to date with the latest trends and technologies. The e-commerce industry is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay informed and adapt to changes as they arise.
I see. Thanks for sharing that with me, Peter. It's good to know what to expect and how to plan for those challenges.
Absolutely. Remember, starting an e-commerce business takes hard work and dedication, but if you stay focused and stay true to your vision, you can achieve great success. Good luck, Dina.
Thanks, Peter. One last thing, what advice do you have for someone who's just starting out and feeling overwhelmed?
That's a great question. Starting a business can be overwhelming, but my advice would be to take things one step at a time. Break down your goals into smaller, more manageable tasks, and focus on completing those tasks one by one. Don't try to do everything at once, or you'll quickly become overwhelmed. Also, don't be afraid to ask for help or advice when you need it. There are plenty of resources out there, like online forums, mentorship programs, and business incubators, that can provide support and guidance. And finally, stay positive and stay persistent. Remember why you started your business in the first place, and keep working towards your goals, even when things get tough.
Thank you, Peter. That's really great advice. I appreciate all your help and guidance today.
You're welcome, Dina. I'm always here to help. Good luck with your business.
Please hit the subscribe and bell button and like this video, and if you want you can share this video to friends. Thanks for watching.